Hello, greetings and salutations. My name's Sarah Jane Cruickshank, and I wanted to go through with you today the power of compounding your Forex trading profits and the power of only getting 10 pips a day. Now, a lot of people are just, dumbfounded by the fact that you can get just 10 pips a day and grow your account and be a completely profitable trader. Lots of people on social media, they post all these hundreds of pips and things like that. But really, in reality, you only need 10 pips a day. Let me show you why. I'm going to share our compounding spreadsheet with you and let you look at the way that 10 pips a day will grow and multiply your accounts and why it is that I love just 10 pips a day. So let's share screen, shall we? Let's get straight into this video. Right, okay, let's just get rid of that. Okay, so this is our compounding spreadsheet. And we all know that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. Compounding is incredibly powerful. Albert Einstein there. So, disclaimer before I start showing you this spreadsheet. Profitable example showing is what can potentially happen. This is not an income claim. Okay, as we all know, with Forex trading, there'll be days where you'll get more pips, there'll be days when you get less pips, there'll be days when you get stopped out and you'll lose pips. But based on maths alone, this is our compounding spreadsheet, just to give you a visual into the future of how going for your 10 pips a day, you can grow your account profitably. Okay, so on this spreadsheet, we put in our growth per day, how much we want to grow our accounts by. Now, for a nice, sensible risk to reward, we want between 1 and 3% growth a day, because with 1% to 3% growth, if God forbid and the trade turns on you, the maximum you'll lose is 3% of your account. Okay, so we want to be nice and safe. We don't want to over leverage our accounts. We don't want to go in with stupid lot sizes. We want to be sensible. We teach you how to protect your money before we teach you how to make your money, which is incredibly important in the ninja team. So on this spreadsheet, I've put in 3% a day. So let's say most people, when they first start Forex trading, they haven't got a big pot of money to start trading with. They want to learn the basics. We recommend everybody comes in and starts on a demo account anyway, until you're confident and you are starting to win more than you're losing. And, on demo account, you need to learn. You need to make mistakes. You need to blow accounts, but it's all safe because it's on demo. It's not real money. When you set up your real account and it's your hard-earned money going into your account, then you need to be super careful, right? So most brokers start with a minimum of maybe $200. Some start with as little as $100, but you need to put a minimum of at least $200 into a broker account to get started, okay? I started with $500. I thought that was a nice, safe amount, but people have started with $100. For this example on this video, I'm going to start with $200, okay? Because lots of brokers, that is their minimum amount of you to put the money in. So let's say you set up your broker account, you've done your research on brokers, we can help you with that. You've set up an account which is incredibly safe, you've sorted out all the details, and you transferred $200 of your hard-earned cash into your broker account. Now that is the money that you will be trading with. So we're starting on month one, month one up here, and our daily pip goal is 10 pips, 10 pips, right? Now when you first start looking at this, you're going to think to yourself, oh my goodness, like this is going to take forever to get, rich and wealthy and all that. But no, it's not. Right. Day one, this is in days, okay? Trading days a month. We've broken it down to 20 trading days a month because of weekends. We don't tend to trade at weekends unless you're trading crypto, but there's normally 20 trading days a month, right? So if you traded every day, right, so have a sip of tea because I've been talking a lot this morning. All right. So this is based in US dollars. Okay, just to give you an idea. So your starting amount is $200. See that? Your return on investment is 3%. You're hoping to grow your account by 3% by only getting 10 pips. So if you get your 10 pips on day one, you've made $6. $6, okay? And it tells you here that a sensible lot size is 0.06 to get $6 return on investment. So that's a 3% growth on $200 is a 0.06 lot size. It tells you the lot size. It works it all out for you. So now your account is $206. Okay, you're going into day two, $206. Here we go, day 2. You're starting your trading account with $206. You're going for 10 pips. Your lot size again is 0.06. You use your Educator, you scalp those pips, you get your 10 pips. You made $6.18 on day 2. But now look, your account is now $212. So going into day 3, you're starting with $212.18. You're doing the same thing again. You're getting your 10 pips, you're scalping, you're getting that Educator alert, you're getting in there, you're scalping, you're getting your 10 pips a day, you're going on a 0.06 lot size. You're now up to $218. How fantastic is that, right? So let's jump down to day 10, shall we? So day 10, coming up to your second week of trading. All being well, you've got your 10 pips every day, you're doing really, really well. You're starting your account with $260 now on only the second week, right? After the second week. So your return is now $7.83 for that day for 10 pips. Still 10 pips, to still learn the skill of getting 10 pips. Master 10 pips, this is how it's going to play out. But because your account size is a little bit bigger now, you can put your lot size up to 0.08, giving you a higher return and profit. So that's what's incredibly exciting about this compounding spreadsheet. Don't take any money out of this account. Just keep growing it, all right? Don't stop paying yourself with the trading money yet. Just keep growing this account until you're happy with the content of your account. So day 20 on month 1, the end of the first month, right? You've had a great month. Your account is now $350. You started with $200 at the beginning of the month, $350 because you've been going for 3% growth a day, 10 pips a day, like we always say. Now, what bank in the world, if you put $200 in a bank, would give you a return of $350 after 1 month? There isn't. There isn't. So how about this for a side hustle, a sideline, building a pension pot, building a savings account? It doesn't take long to get 10 pips a day. Honestly, it doesn't take long. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see how easy it is to get 10 pips a day. So now your account is $350. Your return, you got $10 return that day. $10 return, and your lot size has obviously gone up because your account's bigger. So at the end of month 1, you've now grown your $200 to $361. So as you go into month 2, same exact thing. You're still going for 10 pips a day. You're still growing it by 3%. Okay, there. Now, you're starting off with 361. Your lot size is now 0.11. You've got return of £10, $10.84. Not bad, is it, eh? Just getting those 10 pips. So let's look at the end of month 2. Okay, so now you've been in 2 months. Okay, so your $200 has turned into $633. Just getting 10 pips a day. You're now getting more or less $20 a day return on your trading account. Okay, it's ending your account on $652. Now, you might think, well, this is, it's not going to make me rich, is it? $19 return a day. You're only on month 2 of learning. You're only starting off with a $200 account, right? Let's skip forward 6 months, shall we? And let's see things getting a little bit more exciting for you. So you're going into month 6, okay? Remember, this is not an income claim because there's going to be days where you might lose your 3%, okay? And you jump back a day and then you go forward. So it's literally, this is just the mathematical formula. This is not an income claim, but this is showing you what is potentially available to you if you learn the skill, you jump on our live trading sessions, you master how to get your 10 pips a day. Right, month 6, your account is now $3,843. Not bad. 6 months training, eh? You don't normally get paid $3,843 for training and learning a new skill, do you? You're still only going for your 10 pips a day. You've mastered your 10 pips a day. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to go off on shiny objects, do any other strategy. You're just getting your 10 pips a day. You're still only going for 3% risk. But look, month 6, you're returning profit daily, $115 a day. That's a nice little wage, isn't it? A little sideline, not bad at all. Your lot size is now 1.15. Okay, so your lot size grows as your account grows. But let's see how quickly this starts to grow now. Okay, at the end of month 6, your account has grown to just under $7,000. Just getting 10 pips a day. Just 10 pips a day. Look at that. Right. Are you ready to jump forward to month 12 for 1 year? 1 year of learning a skill. 1 year of mastering 10 pips a day. Do you think you would have mastered 10 pips a day by now? Doing it every day? I think so. Let's jump forward. Ready? Okay. Month 12, a year. A year of doing 10 pips a day at 3%. Right? Look at the size of your account to start month 12. $133,000, $419.54. Amazing. 3%. Your return in profit on that day is $4,000. You can pull $4,000 a day out of the $1 trillion industry that is Forex. From home, on your laptop, on your computer, getting 10 pips a day. $4,000. Now, if you didn't, now this is where your mindset kicks in. Would you be happy to leave 133,000 in a trading account, or would you pull that out now? Would you leave some in there to carry on trading? What would you do? This is all down to your personal preference now. You could have pulled the plug at 6 months and taken $7,000 out and gone, right, okay, we'll start again. I'll have that. It's up to you. If you left it in there for a year, 133, you can pull profits out of this. Look at that. So let's just say you got to that stage and you've got $4,000 a day going in. Do you need $4,000 a day to live? No. What sort of lifestyle do you want from this? If you only need a couple of $100 a day, you know, take that out, pay yourself, leave the rest in, pay yourself when you get to, you know, when you get up here, when you're on like month 4 and you're getting $50 a day, pay yourself $25 a day, keep 25 in there, keep rolling that, but take some out. You can take it out anytime with a broker. It's like a little bank account. You can take out what you want. But if you leave it at the end of 1 year, you have grown your account to $240,000. Getting $7,000 profit a day from getting just 10 pips. 10 pips. Can't explain this enough to you because it is so like, why are you going for hundreds and hundreds of pips? Why don't you just stick to one simple strategy, learn how to scalp it, learn how to get 10 pips a day, grow your account by 3% a day, grow your $200 into crazy money. Why don't you do that? So that is the power of 10 pips a day. If you watch some of my other videos, I'll show you our scalping strategy on Educator, where we can grab 10 pips a day using our Educator easily, without any stress. You know, we're in our group, we trade live every day. You can jump on one of our sessions and take some of the trades that we call out. You can see our results. You can see what we do. 10 pips a day. Exciting stuff, isn't it? So that's my pension pot sorted. I'm sorted. You know, 10 pips a day. Lovely. Thank you very much. Why don't you do it too? If I can do this, I'm no mathematician. I'm not highly educated. I'm a full-time mum. Okay. I do this around the madness of my life. I do it off my phone, to be honest. I trade my 10 pips a day off my phone, and you will see in my Facebook feeds, my results, in my Making Sense of Forex Trading group, you'll see my results. If I can do it, you can do it. You can do it with me. I'll help you. I'll put you in our ninja group. You can jump on our live trading sessions. You can learn our ninja trading system. You can learn our scalping strategy. You can get our Ninjacator. Get it when you join us. So there will be details below this video. Please, please look at this seriously as an option for you. Look at it seriously. Okay, I nearly bypassed it when I first looked at it because I didn't think I could do it. It's not that hard. You just have to be ready to learn a skill and put the time in to get there, and you'll do it. So have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the group. I can't wait to welcome you to our team and teach you how to do this. This is going to be amazing. This is going to change your life if you take it seriously and you look at this seriously. Message me. Down below, you can contact me. There'll be a link there to have a look at our Ninja Trading group. You can come and look at my Making Sense of Forex Trading Facebook group. Contact me on Facebook. Message me in this video. Let's get you started. Let's get you started. All right. Thank you very much. See you in the group.